In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this portable tire inflator from the company MODARI. I think that's what that is. And this model is the AP002. And you can see it goes up to 160 PSI, which is the max PSI. And just going over the box here, you know, it's great for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, a ball, a wheelchair, a lawnmower, scooters, golf carts. You know what? Pretty much anything with a tire, this thing will work on. And it comes with a swimming ring adapter, a ball needle, a Presto valve adapter, and the airline. You know what? Just taking it out of the box here. Check this little case out. I really like this case. Has this yellow accent going around it. Nice quality zipper on it. So open it up here. Let me show you some of the things you get with it. So inside of here is the actual like nozzle. This is the hose that you're going to attach to the tire right there. You can see that. Well, that'll attach to just about any type of Schrader valve. Here's the little set of instructions in here. We don't need that. And I think this is some sort of little kind of product card. And then here's the unit itself. Taking it out of there, you know what? Let's just peel this off. We don't need that. You know what? Let's just go ahead and peel this off too. They've got two on here, and there is a secret little hiding spot on this that shocked me, everybody. I've never actually seen anything like this. So you see, you're thinking, well, there's supposed to be some extra valves with it. So where's those extra valves? Check this out. Right under here, you put your finger under there. There's a neodymium magnet right there, and here is the actual inflator for the, like a pool noodle or something like, I mean like a pool toy or something like that, Presto valve and the basketball needle all right there. And check that out. You just put that, that is really cool. That's very handy. I like how they did that supply right there. And then right here, you get a USB-C input and then a USB-A output. So this thing can actually charge coming out. So very nice on that. So if you need an extra power bank, you have one with this thing right here. And to turn it on, you're going to hold this down for 3 seconds. It goes through, it does an audible on there. Now it's not flashing, it just does that in this in the shutter and the camera here. I'll try to do the best I can with this. Now mine, I went ahead, I just actually aired my bike tire up and I went 24 in them. But here's some of the things on there. Here's a car, it's preset, and so yeah, I actually started messing with the settings on here, but the car is set a lot higher. I think it's set at like 32. There's a plus and minus right there for adjusting motorcycle, bike, basketball, and here's the custom. The custom is my favorite because you know what? I'll set pretty much every one of my vehicles has different types of. I'll go like maybe 40. We'll do 30. Let's do 36. And I'll air up my car tire here in a minute. And this little button right here, you see that? Hit that twice or hold it down, I think. And there's the LED flashlight. Very handy little flashlight if you had to actually like work on a car. So I mean, find your like valve stem, you're looking around, you're trying to find it, and then while you're airing up your tires, say on the side of the road, put that on, and it's a little safety flash. So yeah, that thing could actually help you out a lot in a pinch. Hold it down for 3 seconds, and it goes off. And then to turn it on, you're basically just hit the on button. Very powerful. It ramps up. You guys hear that? It'll actually ramp up. Let's go ahead, screw this in. You just screw this top piece in right there, screw it in, and let's go over here and air up my car tire. Okay, everybody, I'm over here at my van. Now, this tire is a little low right now. Actually, how do I know that it's low? Because you know why? There's a gauge on here. So let's go ahead, let's put this on there, lock it in place. I'm at 33 PSI on here right now. Let's go ahead. Now, these can go up as high as 44. So let's put 44 on the pump right here. So we've locked in at 44. Look how long this cord is too. Very impressive. I've got other ones and the cord's been too short. So my valve stem's at the top. I really like this. Always get one with a long extension on it. That's probably 2.5 feet easily, or maybe a 2-foot cord on there. We're at half. We're at 3 bars on the batteries. There is a battery indicator. Mash it right here. Let's see how fast this thing goes up. Well, it went up 1 PSI almost instantly. You guys can see right there. I'm at 44. I'm at 34 and I'm going to 44. We'll give it maybe, I'm gonna say it's gonna take maybe 2 minutes to get it inflated all the way. Let's see what this MODARI does. So let's go ahead, skip to we'll skip till right at 43, but and see if it does the auto shut off. All right, that's been about 3 minutes. We're at 43.7.9. Right on the money, 44. So I have 44 PSI on this tire right here. Very impressive. Now this can go all the way up to like 160 PSI according to them. Now obviously my tires don't hold 160, but you know what? I believe them on that. Let's go ahead and let's see if I can use it to like inflate a basketball or maybe even one of my little scooter tires and see if I can get max in that too. Okay, right here is my little Ahora Tiger Max scooter, and the actual PSI that's supposed to be on these little tires, I know is crazy, is actually 50 PSI is supposed to be on these tires. So let's go ahead and let's see how much they're actually, because I don't think I've ever even checked these tires actually. Let's put this on there. We're at 38. Let's put 45. Well, there you go. That was fast. And the reason it goes fast is because these tires are so small, it just goes really fast. So I've got 45 PSI in these tires. Well, I'm not going to go 50. I'll stay 45 on that back one and 45 on the front one. But everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a good, affordable, kind of like air compressor to carry with them at all times. Because, man, when you need to air up a tire, this is one of the handiest things I've had in my car so far. And you know what? You got all of the attachments here where you can do, you know, a basketball, a pool toy, or a Presto valve on a bicycle. How about that? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the MODARI, you know, air compressor. See you all in the next video.